So Arsenal 5. Yes, 5. 5-star performance, by the way. Nottingham Forest 0. And it could have been 7 or 8. Let's be real. That was actually a walk in the park. Nice little kickabout with our pals. Nice little kickabout with me mates. One of them ones. Shame we didn't see the 15-year-old because he could have come on and we could have tweeted it. Oh, Jason Cundy was right. It was PR. Sorry, my bad. Anyway, big up to everybody who watched the watch along. Always jokes. Big up to every single one of you in that chat. It was lively. It was funny. I predicted a Martin Odegaard. Well, we're now going to call him Promotiongaard because he found his level. I said this at the beginning of the watch along. I said I fully expect Martin Odegaard to play half decent today, which he did. He was half decent. One big created chance. Gabriel Jesus should have buried it. We'll come on to him in a minute. We'll come on to Promotiongaard in a minute as well. Make sure you are peppering the likes. Fire the likes up. TikTok app and Instagram app, links down there. Make sure you subscribe, share the content, like the content, do what you want to do with the content. But yeah, man, big up to everybody who is watching this fan cam. And yeah, at the beginning of the watch along, I said we'd win comfortably. I predicted a 3-0, but a comfortable victory. They don't offer a great deal. Excuse me. And not only that, the fact that everyone was hyping them, rival fans, were sitting there giving it the big one about, oh, they could do something, was because they beat a poor Liverpool team, who again got beaten yesterday by Leeds United. And Liverpool are finished. We already know this. We don't need to go there. We've been there, done that. But from the first whistle, we were all over them. And then we scored. Great goal from Martinelli. Great cross from Saka. Fantastic little bit of play. 1-0 up, and we're like, cool, let's go. Let's batter them. But then Bukayo Saka gets injured. And for some unknown dumb reason, this manager kept him on for about 12 minutes, running around, limping around with an injury, which potentially, I don't know the extent of the injury. I'm currently sitting here and it's, 20 past 5 Spanish time with Man United's game on that screen. You lot here. I don't know the extent of that injury, but what I do know is if he goes down injured and he's hobbling around, and even if he says he's okay, get him off. Get him off. And we didn't until 15 minutes nearly after he went down. That could potentially keep him out for the World Cup. That could potentially keep him out for the rest of the games before the World Cup. And we didn't need to do that. Other than that, let's move on. Reiss Nelson comes on and bagged 2 goals, got a great little assist, because I know you assist stats merchants are out there. And he set up Thomas Partey's goal, which was goal of the game. Fantastic finish. What a goal. What a hit. Tick-a-boo, son. Tick-a-boo. And then we're like, right, cool. We're coasting. Half an hour to go. Let's get the cigar on the go. In my case, a cigarette. Cigarillo in Spanish. For all you that want to learn Spanish, don't follow me because my pronunciations are not great. But anyway, so we're coasting. We're cruising. Gabriel Jesus is missing chance after chance. He had a couple today. He could have potentially bagged a hat-trick today. The confidence is lacking with Jesus. Does everything else right, but in front of goal, we're seeing that the confidence is not really there. And not only that, we know that he's not a prolific goal scorer. We've seen that in his time at City, you know, and he's never scored, I don't think, more goals than Alexander Lacazette in a season. So we need one to go in off his backside, off his head, just hit him on the head and go in. You know, we could have had 7, 8, 9, 10 goals. That ain't even an exaggeration. We battered them. They did nothing. Absolutely nothing. Apart from the bozo gene, passing Jesse Lingard the ball on the penalty spot and Ben White making a split-second decision to block it. That was at 0-0. Other than that, they didn't do anything. They were shocking. They are exactly what they are. An average team that have spent a fortune, that have got a lot of individual players that might be half sensible, but now you've thrown a load of players, 20 odd in fact, together. It's not that easy, is it, mate? And the fact that their manager looks like he's absolutely just come back from an Ibiza mashup week, yeah, like closing parties with Kevin and Perry. My man looks like you look after you've done a week in Ibiza. Like, he literally looks effed. Real talk, he does. I'm not even blagging. He does. That guy looks like he's double dropping mitsies left, right, and centre. Yeah, now he's on the come down. Get him some water, get him some food, tuck him in at night and say, listen, bro, you need a week off to recover from Ibiza. He looks mash up, that guy. Yeah, they did nothing. Yeah, the fact that they gave him a new contract, by the way, is mad. But it is what it is. It ain't my club. I couldn't care less. But in terms of performances today, I thought Ben White was superb again. Even when he shifted to left from right back to centre back, he was superb. Granit Xhaka, again, another top draw performance. After the one in midweek where he was shocking, he shut everyone up again today and said, no, I can come back. I will be better. And he was. And I expected the performance today. I called it on the watch along in the build-up. I said that we should be going out there. And the performances for the last 7 games have not been great if you include the Europa League. 5 Europa Leagues and the 2 in the league, Southampton and Leeds United. They've not been great performances, but the results have been masking them. PSV in the week, obviously, it came to a head. But today, they showed some good character out there, man, and they wanted it. Yeah, let's not forget, though, this team are bottom of the table. But you still have to beat them. Liverpool know that, and they couldn't. So, fair play. We then got the 5th goal. Promotiongaard. Promotiongaard scores against Fulham. Brace against Bournemouth. Scores against Forest. One big chance created, like I said, for Gabriel Jesus, who should have scored. It was on his right foot. He should have buried it. He should have smashed it with his left across goal. Or if you're going to do the nice little finesse with the right, at least put it right in the bottom corner or top corner. Instead, keeper made a great save. It was a good save as well. But Martin Odegaard, in and out the game, had a hand in one of Reiss Nelson's goals, backing in Jesus' cross, and then Reiss was there. But it is what it is. It's Nottingham Forest. We moved back to the top of the table. We needed that performance. There were some good performances today, very good. Thomas Partey's goal was sick. Gabriel Martinelli, absolutely brilliant again. And all in all, a comfortable day out, a comfortable Sunday, comfortable walk round the park with your pals. And we needed Nottingham Forest. They come along at the right time. And to a man, pretty much everyone was decent. The subs, we were fortunate enough to make some subs today very early, which is something we don't see often enough. Gabriel Martinelli being hooked. Obviously, Saka got hooked through injury. Kieran Tierney came on. I thought he was superb when he came on, by the way. Cedric Suarez come on before him and played at left back, though. Yeah, okay. If I'm Kieran Tierney's agent, I'm angling a move out of there. Newcastle, Villa, anywhere. Just get him first team football. That kid is too good. Well, he's not a kid anymore, but that guy is too good to be sat on the bench over Tomiyasu and over Cedric Suarez. Crazy, really, when you think about it. And he showed again today why he is quality. Yeah, he was brilliant when he come on. I thought that Reiss, like I said, could be contention for man of the match. I thought he changed the game. For me, he is man of the match. Granit Xhaka, Ben White up there. Jesus for the endeavour and all of that up there. But for me, I thought Reiss Nelson was man of the match. He changed the game. 2 goals very quickly inside a couple of minutes. Got an assist for Partey's screamer. And I thought he looked lively. And we're going to need him if Bukayo Saka's out injured. So yeah, man, all in all, good performance. Promotiongaard found his level again. First time he's played 90 minutes since the 4th Premier League game of the season. So what's that now? 8 games later. It's the first time he's completed 90 minutes in the Premier League since the 4th game of the season. He's completed 4 times 90 minutes in the Premier League. And 3 of them were in the first 4 games of the season. So he's found his level, guys. Just accept it. Yeah, just accept it. Fantastic goal, by the way. Statuesque defending for most of our goals, but you still got to put the ball in the back of the net. He did that. He got his one big created chance. He got his goal. So all the Odegaard fan girls are going to be absolutely like loving life tonight. We move on. That was our last Premier League home game at the Emirates before the World Cup. We do have a game in the week against Zurich. We need to get 1 point to qualify out of the group as champions of the group. We are now the champions, August champions, September champions, and October champions in the Premier League. Will we be champions come May? I hear you cry. Probably not, unless we're going strengthening in January. Been there, done that. You're all crying about it. I don't care. If you want to cry, cry. I genuinely don't care. It's not put me off in 4 years that I've had this channel. I still come back and do the fan cams. I still upload every day or stream every day. So if you want to keep crying, keep crying. Promotiongaard found his level today. Great performances all around the park, pretty much. Fabio Vieira and Eddie, when they came on, apart from them, pretty much everyone done all right. Them two, not for me. But it is what it is. Maybe you fancy them and maybe they did have a good game. I don't know. You tell me. Leave it in the comments section. If you want to cry, you just tell me what you think. That's what it is. I don't care. But thanks for everyone who's watched. Share the content around. Follow my TikTok, Lee Gunner AFC. Follow my Instagram, Lee Gunner 82. Kenny Ken's fan cam from outside the ground will be out pretty much in the next 15 minutes. Then Jez will be out. Then Matty as well. Then we'll be doing player ratings where you definitely do cry every week. And we still don't care. Adios, amigos. Arteta Ferreira. Para siempre. Ciao. Promotiongaard. He found his level. Laters.